Imagine you're working on a project with a C++03 compiler, and you encounter a problem with a SmartPointer template class when trying to eliminate functions for the type void. The issue arises because default template arguments cannot be used in function templates in this scenario. You've attempted various solutions like removing the default argument, removing the template, and even removing sfinae, but each attempt has its own set of complications and errors. Now, let's delve into the solution provided for this particular problem. By utilizing a specialized helper class with extended functionality, we can address the void type issue more effectively. The specialized helper class introduces a return type alias that remains valid to prevent any declaration issues. A dummy parameter is included to delay function instantiation until the operator asterisk is actually used. Additionally, a static assert from boost is incorporated to trigger a meaningful compilation error if operator asterisk is used with a void smart pointer. To sum it all up, the solution involves leveraging a specialized helper class with extended functionality to handle the void type issue effectively in the smart pointer template class. By implementing this approach, you can ensure smooth functionality and eliminate errors related to void types in the template class. So, next time you encounter a similar problem in your C++03 projects, remember this clever solution. And with that, remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!